Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make orange twist cookies. These are the ingredients you will need for the dough, and these are the ingredients you will need for the topping. Let's start with a little prep. Take 3 large eggs out of the refrigerator and line 2 large baking trays with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the ingredients. For the cookie dough, sift 5 cups, 625 grams of all-purpose flour. A little more flour will be needed later for dusting when kneading the dough. You will need 1 cup or 200 grams of granulated sugar. One cup, 227 grams of unsalted butter, which will be placed in the microwave for 20 or 30 seconds, just to be softened, not melted. Zest and juice 1 large orange. You will also need 1 teaspoon of Grand Marnier, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now let's mix the dough. Add your eggs and sugar to a large bowl. Whisk until pale and creamy. Add the softened butter and whisk until fully combined. Incorporate the orange juice, the zest, vanilla extract, and Grand Marnier. Gradually fold in the flour using a rubber spatula. Add the baking powder, then add the remaining flour. Dust more flour until the dough is soft and no longer sticky. Mix with your hand. Scoop the dough using a tablespoon. Each portion should weigh about 40 grams. Roll the dough into a 10-inch or 25-centimeter rope. Fold in half and then twist 3 times. Place on the parchment-lined tray. Let's prepare the egg wash. You will need 1 large yolk at room temperature and 1 teaspoon of milk. Brush the cookies. Bake this first tray of cookies for 25 minutes until light golden. Repeat the process for the next tray. This recipe produces 40 delicious cookies. These golden buttery orange twist cookies are lightly crisp on the outside and tender on the inside, infused with a fresh citrus flavor. Each one is hand twisted with care, creating a beautiful texture and a delicate touch of sweetness. They can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for 1 to 2 weeks. They can also be frozen in an airtight container or a sealed plastic bag for 2 to 3 months. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes. See you next time.